No feedback rows exist yet, so target median is unknown. I will start with Inception because it is a high-information movie guess with distinct to the year, rating, genres, actors, and director. I am accepting the cookie banner first, then selecting the drop-down result and clicking the guess button to register the guess. Type card is green. Guess title was Inception, medium movie, so target median equals movie. Year is red with an up arrow, so the target is farther than 2 years newer than 2010. Rating is red with a down arrow, so the target is more than 0.5 lower than 8.8. No genre overlaps are shown for action, adventure, or sci-fi. No actor overlaps for Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, or Elliot Page. No director overlap for Christopher Nolan. Constraints. Target is a movie released 2013 or later, IMDb rating below 8.3, not action, adventure, or sci-fi, and does not include those listed Inception cast/director overlaps. Type card is green, so the last guess Inception was a movie and target median equals movie. Year is farther newer than 2010, rating is farther lower than 8.8 with no overlap for action, adventure, sci-fi, the listed actors, or Christopher Nolan. I will guess La La Land to test a 2016 non-action movie with drama, comedy, music, a rating around 8.0, and different cast and director. Type card is green. Guess title was Lawrence of Arabia, medium movie, so target median equals movie. Year is red with an up arrow, so the target is farther than 2 years newer than 2013. Rating is red with a down arrow, so the target is more than 0.5 lower than 8.3. Genre overlap, drama is green, adventure and biography are gray. No actor overlap for Peter O'Toole, Alec Guinness, or Anthony Quinn, and no director overlap for David Lean. Constraints. Target is a movie from 2016 or later, IMDb rating below 7.8, includes drama, excludes adventure and biography, and does not include those Lawrence of Arabia actors or director. Type card is green, so Lawrence of Arabia was a movie and target medium equals movie. Year is farther newer than 2013, rating is farther lower than 8.3, with drama overlapping and adventure and biography not overlapping. I will guess Moonlight, a 2016 drama movie rated about 7.4, to probe whether the target is around 2016 and lower rated while testing different actors and director. Type card is green. Guess title was Moonlight, medium movie, so target median equals movie. Year is red with an up arrow, so the target is farther than 2 years newer than 2016. Rating is yellow with a down arrow, so the target is within 0.5 but lower than 7.4. Genre overlap, drama is green. Actors Mahershala Ali, Naomi Harris, and Trevant Rhodes show no overlap, and director Barry Jenkins shows no overlap. Constraints. Target is a movie from 2019 or later, IMDb rating roughly 6.9 to 7.3, includes drama, and does not include the listed Moonlight actors or Barry Jenkins. Type card is green, so Moonlight was a movie and target medium equals movie. Year is farther newer than 2016, ratings within 0.5 but lower than 7.4, and drama overlaps while Moonlight cast and Barry Jenkins do not. I will guess Nomadland because it is a 2020 drama movie rated about 7.3 with different actors and director, fitting the current constraints. Type card is green. Guess title was Nomadland, medium movie, so target median equals movie. Year is red with an up arrow, so the target is further than 2 years newer than 2021. Rating is yellow with a down arrow, so the target is within 0.5 but lower than 7.3. Genre overlap, drama is green. Actors Frances McDormand, David Strathairn, and Linda May show no overlap, and director Clay Zhao shows no overlap. Constraints. Target is a movie from 2024 or later, IMDb rating roughly 6.8 to 7.2, includes drama, and does not include the listed Nomadland actors or Clay Zhao. Type card is green, so Nomadland was a movie and target medium equals movie. Year is farther newer than 2021, so the target is 2024 or later, and rating is within 0.5 but lower than 7.3, roughly 6.8 to 7.2. Drama overlaps, while Frances McDormand, David Strathairn, Linda May, and Clay Zhao do not. I will guess We Live in Time, a 2024 drama romance movie around 6.8 to test a likely current year drama candidate with new actors and director. Type card is green. Guess title was We Live in Time, medium movie, so target median equals movie. Year appears green, so the target is also from 2024. Rating appears yellow with an up arrow, so the target is within 0.5 but higher than We Live in Time around 6.8. Genre overlap, drama is green, romance is gray. Actors Andrew Garfield, Florence Pugh, and Grace Delaney show no overlap, and director John Crowley shows no overlap. Constraints. Target is a 2024 movie, IMDb rating roughly 6.9 to 7.3, includes drama, excludes romance, and does not include the listed We Live in Time actors or John Crowley. Type card is green, so we live in time as a movie, and target medium equals movie. The latest row shows same year 2024, drama overlaps, romance does not, and the rating is yellow with a down arrow, so the target appears slightly lower than 7.0. The target should be a 2024 drama movie, likely around 6.5 to 6.9, excluding romance, action, adventure, sci-fi, and biography. I will open the available poster hint before spending another guess because the remaining candidate space is still broad. Type card is green, so we live in time as a movie, and target medium equals movie. The latest feedback shows you're green at 2024, rating yellow with a down arrow, so the target is slightly lower than 7, drama overlaps, and romance does not. Actors Andrew Garfield, Florence Pugh, Grace Delaney, and director John Crowley do not overlap. I will guess a different man, a 2024 drama movie around 6.9 with no romance and different cast/director. Nice, the answer was a different man, solved in 6 guesses. The key clues were locking onto a 2024 movie with a 6.9 rating and drama overlap, then the final match confirmed the comedy, drama, thriller genres plus Sebastian Stan and director Aaron Simberg.